Ka Catholic Bishop Conference of India CBCI kala Pynkup burom ya Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla ukonrat ke sama na pedeng ki khat kendai ngot ki wepan da ka CBCI National Award arjar prio ya ka ni ka National Award ka badang shuthaw thmai la ai ha ka sien ka baningkong sha Myntri Rangbah ukonrat ke sama lembat ki wepat kinong yo pediang ya ka ka khusnam ha ka 37th CBCI General Body Meeting Kabalalong haga kendai trik rempang ha St. John's Medical College, Bengaluru. Ka CBCI National Award ka ai buram ki riushment ki bala ai ka jing shakri ka bakar pang sha ka balang ka imlang salang bat kari da ka bapen pau ka jinglong ba koridor jong ka gospel bar ka jingno senyang ba kongsan sha ka buram brio ka hok ka puli puthi ka jinglong nongelam bar ka jing penwan dori ka jingmut patmai. Kini ki khusnam ki penskam ye ki jingkular jong CBCI ban rakhe ki jing im ki papen pau ye ka jingen ha ka kam ka jing shakri ka jing no senyang ha ka bol perkhat perdan ka jing long nongalam ha ki kam balang ka jing ashim benta ha ka jing te ye kari bar ka jing shakri baklam tingkai ha barok ki kam ki bayade bar ka nyam kumju bayade bat ki pai ba. Lingba kini ki khusnam ka CBCI ka wat ban penslur ya ka pateng ka banwan ban pediang ya ka jing im jong ka jing IT ka jing long bajanai bar ka jing shakri bas ngorin ka badan tenra jong ki jing hikai ka gospel bar ki jing mut jong ka riti sen shar jong ka hok bar ka buram briu ban te ya kari. Habakren ha ka ni ka jing alang Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla ulapan pau ka jing sungu ya ka CBCI bat ong ka ni ka khusnam balapan mi da ka CBCI kapan skam hangi ya ka jing sngorit ba ka kam ka bangit rei ka don ya ka dor bat ka wan ra ka jing kala bat ka jing shlur yangi ban le ya ka e ka ba ka balang ka hika yangi. Myntri Rangbah ula kuburu halor ka jing no senyang jong ka balang Catholic ha ka ban sandori ki samla kamtam ha ka than shatei la mingi bat pentik naru ya ka jinga trelang bat ka balang. Kini kide ki por ki ba ki balang ki yakendu ha ki benta ba pher jong kari hindrengin ya trelang ula ong bat kentui ki samla Catholic bat ya ki samla Kristan ban long ki nongelam omtang ha ka san hima hindre ha ki benta ba pher jong ka jing shakri.
I request all our eminences to felicitate our honorary with a shawl, Most Reverend Archbishop Andrew Smart Khalid, to present the certificate, and His Eminence George Cardinal Kuwaka to give the memento.
What he became, we got an opportunity to also serve the people. Our youngsters who are out here, I want to tell you that you are the future. A state like mine has 50% of the people who are younger than the age of 20. 50%. Younger than the age of 20. It is very important for us to shape the youth. I tell people that Meghalaya and India's greatest asset is the youth, and Meghalaya's and India's greatest challenge is the youth. It depends on how we nurture them. If we nurture them well, they are the most constructive force, and if we let them go astray, they are the most destructive.